What's up guys, my name is Caleb and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I got something a little different here. So there's a massive package behind me and there's this crazy phone setup going on right here. So you may be wondering what that's all about. And I'm really excited for this because I'm doing an unboxing video of the Candid aligner treatment. So I know that I typically do finance related content and psychology stuff, but in today's video I wanted to do something a little bit different because I'm really excited about this right here. And it's kind of like a personal thing for me, and I just wanted to share that with y'all. And I was thinking of doing like a series about like my journey throughout this process, because basically I'm trying to fix my teeth. That's what I'm trying to do here. So these things hopefully will straighten them out and make them look awesome at the end. And it's going to be an 8-month process, and I just want to make a video every time I switch aligners and just like give my like pros and cons about it, kind of review it, talk about my experience. So anyone out there who's trying to do something like this and doesn't want braces, then you can come watch these videos and see what someone else's opinion is. So to get things started here, before I just jump straight into the box, I wanted to talk a little bit about kind of how the treatment works. So the way I found this actually is I was scrolling through Instagram one day and I saw a post about this company called Candid Co. And basically they're similar to like Invisalign, but they have actual orthodontists. It's supposed to be like a do-it-yourself type of thing. And they had a sale going on where you could get their starter kit for only $19 instead of the normal $95 price. So I was like, okay, why not? I'll get the starter kit and just try it out and see what that's all about. So I'll show you what the starter kit is real quick. So basically it looks like this, and you get this package in the mail. And there's 3 different steps here, and you make like molds of your teeth like this. There's 5 different molds that you have to make. And then you have to take a bunch of pictures of your teeth too, and then of your like head with your mouth closed. These are the pictures of it. As you can see, they still have the sale going on, and you have to like mix the putty together, and then you send them in, and then they make a 3D model for you of your teeth. So let me show you the box real quick. So this is the original box that I got. This is the starter kit basically. And they have really nice boxes, but you know, that's what it looks like. And then you get this like funny little thing for the pictures to put in your mouth, which is really strange to me. It's kind of uncomfortable, but I'll just show you what it looks like real quick because it's kind of funny. So it basically does this, and then you take pictures of your teeth. And yeah, I look scary as hell right now, but I'm just gonna put this nasty thing back in the box here. So originally I was really skeptical about this, and I did a bunch of research online. I read like probably 150 different reviews. I watched videos of other people doing this, probably like 5 to 10 hours worth of videos, because I'm one of those people who has to like explore every single corner and make sure that I'm like doing the right thing. Because I know that there's been some like horror stories out there of people that like get these and it messes up their teeth or this and that. So the thing that really sealed the deal for me, other than the fact that you have like a personal like there's a person assigned to you and you can text them whenever and you have their personal phone, and they're kind of like the middleman between you and the orthodontist. But the thing that really sealed the deal for me is this right here. So I was reading through the frequently asked questions, doing my due diligence, you know what I'm saying, and it says here that every orthodontist in the network has at least 2 years of postdoctoral training in the biomechanics of tooth movement, and they have an average of 20 years of experience overall across all the orthodontists. So this was really important to me because I'm one of those people where when I go to the doctor or if I get a dentist, if they have like less than a certain amount of years of experience, then it's kind of like a hard no for me because I just don't trust it. I'm trying to have someone who has like 10, 20, 30 years ideally of experience, especially for more involved procedures, just because it gives me peace of mind. Things like this kind of give me like anxiety, especially going to the dentist, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this. The next thing I wanted to show you guys was what the actual 3D model looked like. So this is pretty cool actually, and all this happens before you commit to the treatment. So we're still on the $20 right now. So this is what it looks like, this scary little thing right here, and you can rotate it around. And these are my teeth. So you took, I think it was 3 of the top and 2 of the bottom or something like that. And this is how it turned out. So as you can see, like the parts that I don't like about my teeth are this front one kind of on the left side you can see sticks out. And then I have like a full-on underbite on one of my molars here. Yeah, there it is. On the left side, I have a full-blown underbite. And then a couple of my teeth are like rotated a little bit. So this back molar on the left is a little rotated on the bottom. and then I have a tooth in the front that's really rotated right up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here's a better example of the crooked teeth I was saying. But then you can see them move like in real time. So I'll click this play button here, and you'll see it like all move into place. And this is really cool, honestly. And you guys see the difference right here? Like, this is crazy. So here's where it starts, and here is the final product. So all of my teeth are like rolled out. And then back here, this is kind of crazy too. If you look at that back molar that I was talking about on the left bottom, look how much that thing rotates. Like, holy crap. And then the one tooth that had the overbite is also getting cleared there. So supposedly this is going to take about 8 months. That's what we're going to be unboxing today, is the aligners, and you're supposed to switch them out every 2 weeks, I think. So every 2 weeks, I'll be switching them out, and I have to do this 16 different times, as you can see on the screen. It says there's 16 steps. Before we jump into the unboxing, there was one more thing I forgot to show you guys, and that was the price. So I'm sure that's probably on your guys' minds a little bit, and I just wanted to show you how much this actually cost here. So this is basically the receipt I got. Now, they start at $2,400. Of course, if you have insurance that covers things like this, you can get up to like half of that price knocked off, down to about $1,200. And I don't know if you guys saw it earlier, but on top of their homepage that I was showing a second ago, they actually reduced their price down to, I think, like $18.95 or something like that, or $19.05. It says the treatment length is 8 months, and then I got a discount for basically paying up front. So before they made this model for me, I already had put a down payment. And she said that I could get $525 off. And then at that point, a second person hit me up on my phone, and they're basically like the finance person. So there's 2 different people that I've had to deal with so far over texting, which is cool. They were both really nice. But I talked to the second dude on the phone, and he walked me through how to like finance this, because I didn't really want to pay for this out of pocket. So my subtotal was $1,875, as you can see right there. What I ended up doing is financing it through this company called like Allegro Credit, but I ended up having to put a down payment of $155, and then I financed $1,720 about. The only thing I was worried about here is the interest rate. So as you can see, $1,700, and then up here, let me just pull my pointer out actually. And then up here you can see that the interest rate is really high. It's like a credit card basically. So 17.48%. And this is unacceptable to me, because personally, I try to shoot for stuff with, you know, obviously 0, but if I can help it, maybe like 4 to 6% is the highest I'm willing to go. But what ends up happening here, if you do the math, is I will be paying $500 extra over the course of this pay period if I were to take this route. So the period was 36 months. I'd be paying about $61.72 per month, and by the end of it, I would end up paying an additional $502 in interest. So the actual total, instead of $17.19, would be $22.21. Once I realized that the interest rate was going to be so high, what I ended up doing is I took out a loan against one of my Chase credit cards, and then I used that loan to pay off this loan in full. And the one on Chase is like 6.9% APR. So, and then I refinanced it basically to where it is going to be paid off in 12 months instead of 36 months. So if you do the math on all this, I only am going to be paying an extra like $50 to $70 compared to the $520 or whatever. I just wanted to mention that because that's like one of the few finance related things that's going to be in this video. But yeah, so I got a pretty good deal on it. Now I'm doing about $175 a month. So without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so bear with me here because this is a new setup. I'm going to try and make this work, even though this is kind of spontaneous. And bear with me with the audio changing, because the audio is actually coming from my phone up here instead of the mic behind me like usual, so it might sound a bit different. But as you can see here, this box is absolutely massive. Okay. Let's get this straight. So what do we got in here? Got a couple of papers, the scan box it says here, and then on the side it says dental monitoring. So this must be that thing that they give you where you can like put your phone inside of it. And then here is the, what I assume to be the aligners. So this is what we got. We got this box here, we got this box, and then we got these two things. So what does this say? Straighter teeth, tell your friends. What I really am excited about is if you have any questions about the treatment process, like while it's happening, you can hit them up 7 days a week, and they're available basically constantly, and you can just text them and they will answer your questions. They're really nice. Let's see what's in the scan box. Okay. Man, they spend a lot on their packaging. This is crazy. Scuba goggles. These are really weird. Show you what those look like a little bit. So yeah, it looks like you just put your phone into it, just like I was saying, like this. And then it makes taking pictures of your mouth like way easier. Don't want to really mess with this too much because I don't know how it works, but that'll be awesome too because I really want to take pictures of each step of this and put them all together at the end for the final video when the treatment is completely done. And then this will help with getting really consistent pictures. So that's cool. Okay, so here's the aligners. See if I can get the whole thing in the shot here. So it looks like they give you a little carrying case type of thing, which is nice because obviously you're gonna have to be wearing these like 22 hours a day. We got some teeth whitener. Pull this out real quick. Looks like just some info about donating to charity. That's kind of nice. Oh wow, there's a lot more stuff in here. There's a pull tool to get your aligners on and off, it looks like. They give you these like chewy things. So when you first put them on, you're supposed to like let them kind of set because they'll make your teeth like a little looser, and that can cause like a little bit of pain from what people have said. So they give you these little things to chew on, and it's kind of like an exercise ball or a stress ball for your jaw. And so it kind of helps your teeth like settle and ease the pain and discomfort a little bit. So just a few tips about eating and drinking. It says that there isn't really a whole lot of limitations with that. Just be careful with coffee. It says to not smoke if you have your aligners in. And yeah, so all these questions you can find on their website if you want to know more about this. This basically just has all that information in. The steps about cleaning. It looks like this can be used to clean the aligners as well. Here's the hook tool thing. Then we got the chewies. Looks like there's only 2 of them in here, but she did tell me over the phone that like if I run out of these, I can get more. And then what is this? Oh gosh, is this what I think it is? Oh man, it's another one of those things and it's even more intense now. So here's the actual aligners that you get. So just pulling out the first package, this is from step 1. So you can see all the steps there from step 1 all the way to step 24. Of course, I only go up to step 16. And yeah, so here's the aligners. You can kind of see them here. They're actually surprisingly flexible. I thought they would be like rock solid, so that's interesting. Looks like there's some barcode information on them. I'm pretty sure those are stickers. I'm assuming they're stickers because otherwise that's kind of ugly. And then let me pull up the last one real quick. So just like I was saying earlier about like my tooth that sticks out in the front, so you can kind of see that right there, kind of at the top, this one, how it sticks a little bit farther forward. And then on this one, which is the last one, you can see that they are both perfectly straight right there. I guess the first thing to do here is to go brush my teeth and deep clean them and pop these bad boys in and see what happens. Alright guys, so I just read through the manuals a little bit and basically it says to just open up the app to get started. So I'm gonna pull that up real quick. Let's open the Candid app. It says that I'm on current aligner number 1, and it's asking me to do my first scan. So what are we gonna do here? Gonna be using a mirror, so I'm gonna have to go into the bathroom in just a second, and then... Okay, so what happens if I just click start then? Okay, access the camera.
Place your phone into the scan box and latch it in.
Oh, this is funny.
Insert the cheek retractor
so
and snap the
we got a
scan
little...
box into place.
Oh man.
Double tap to continue. For this step, bite down on your back teeth.
Oh wow,
and keep your
okay,
teeth
so then
together.
that goes over.
Double tap to continue.
Okay, so I guess we'll just get started with that then. So I'll see you guys in the bathroom. By the way guys, just so you know, this is literally the best toothbrush on planet Earth in my opinion. I got this like a year ago and it has been working wonders. You know when you go to the dentist and when you get out of there your teeth are all like perfectly smooth, like the smoothest thing ever? Well, this makes them feel like that every single day, so I highly recommend this toothbrush. Not sponsored, but it's great.
Place your phone into the scan box and latch it in.
Insert one side first, then the other.
Okay, sounds easy enough. Let's try this. Alright guys, it's finally telling me to put the aligners in, so here we go, I guess. I'm gonna just rip this open. I'm scared, guys. This is the moment of truth right here. Let's get these bad boys out. So it does look like the barcode thing is like stuck on it, so that's, hopefully no one can see that, but alright. Oh my gosh, that feels so weird. There's definitely a lot of pressure on all my teeth. That's crazy. Now I'm scared it's gonna hurt. Alright, let's do the bottom now. Alright, now I got both of them in. I feel like it makes it a little bit different to talk, but I can like talk just fine. Like it's a little bit smooth when my tongue is on the back of my teeth. But yeah, God, that feels so weird though. There's so much pressure. It's like if I took my hands and just like put them on the inside of my teeth and just like pulled them out and just held it like that. Like that's what it feels like right now, but all of my teeth. Well, that was it, I guess. So I feel like I messed up on one of the scans, so I might have to do one of them again. Alright guys, so I did end up actually having to take both of them out and rescan one of them again. It lets you review them after you scan them, and so I decided to redo one because I missed a couple of my bottom teeth when I was angling it down. And I'll tell you what, they are very hard to get off. You definitely need to use this and like pull it up. And it feels like you're almost gonna break them, but as long as you're gentle, you can get them off. I feel like it's impacting my speech a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it. I definitely don't feel like I can see them that well. I mean, you can kind of see the shininess from like the lights that I have in front of me, but if I take those off, it's like, or if I turn the lights off, I feel like you can't even tell that much. I can definitely feel the edges down here at the bottom of my teeth for the aligners. It feels kind of sharp, so I wonder if that's going to end up cutting into my lip. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. So I just wanted to do this unboxing. I'll keep you guys updated with my progress, and every time I upgrade my aligners and kind of just my thoughts on it as I go. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video a little bit entertaining and useful. I know it's something a little different, but I'll be getting back to the finance stuff in just a few days. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like down below and hit that big fat red subscribe button down below as well if you want to see more finance related videos and see me continue my journey on the aligner kit back here from Candid. I'll leave a link to them down in the description, by the way. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, real quickly before you guys go, I just want to show you this hilarious picture real quick. I meant to show this earlier in the video, but here's an idea of the pictures you have to send in. So, oh my gosh, this picture is horrendous and so gross and embarrassing. So, hope you guys got a laugh out of that one, and I'll catch you in the next one.